Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to register your own domain name and point it to your author landmark website. So the first thing you want to do is go to namecheap.com. It's the domain register I use, and it's cheap as it says in the name, and works very well. On the front page you can see you can search for anything you want. So for example, I could search for SF Canton. And then you can see it has all the different types of websites you can have. However, I've already registered SF Canton, so if you buy your domain, you'll find it pops up here in domain list in the menu. So if I go over here and go down to SF Canton and press manage, we get our domain name here and how we can organize it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to change this to custom DNS, and you see it has two namespaces here. So that brings us to the second website we're going to use, which is called Cloudflare.com. So Cloudflare is a routing website which allows you to have a free HTTPS website name. So instead of your website being http.sfcanton.com, it'll be https.sfcanton.com. And it also has lots of protections against attacks like denial of service attacks, things like that. So we're going to press on add a site here and type in sfcanton.com. Press add site. And we'll choose free. It takes a little while just to scan the records. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to delete all of these records that it's trying to put in for us, because none of them are relevant. They're all just for email servers and things like that, which we're not actually going to use. Okay, so once we have those deleted, we'll press add record and we'll choose CNAME, and sfcanton.com is our website, and our target is authorlandmark.com. I'll press save, and we'll add one more record, which is www, and we'll change that to CNAME as well, and its target is also authorlandmark.com. So what that's doing is it's saying to Cloudflare, if you get a request for sfcanton.com, send it to authorlandmark.com. If you get a request for www.sfcanton.com, send it to authorlandmark.com. So we'll press continue on that. And then you see it recognizes that we're using a Namecheap account. So we will replace the Namecheap name servers with our Cloudflare ones. So we go back to Namecheap. We'll paste in the first name server we got, and then we'll paste in the second one we got, and we'll press on the tick to save it. So now, then we're done with Namecheap. Namecheap is now pointing to Cloudflare. So if you press done, then we press get started. We want automatic HTTPS rewrites. As I said, you don't want people going to HTTP and your website name. You want HTTPS because it's more secure. So press save. We want to always use HTTPS. We want to auto minify everything. That means it'll make your website faster to run. We want to speed up load times. And that's all we need to do there. So now it's saying that it takes a second for it to realize that the name servers are updated. So we can press recheck now, and it'll be queued. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to Author Landmark. And at the moment you can see I'm on SF Canton, which means if I minimize this, sfcanton.authorlandmark.com, but we want to have our own .com domain. So if we go back to Author Landmark And we change this to sfcanton.com and save. Now when we open our website, it goes to sfcanton.com, hosted on Author Landmark, and it's completely your own domain name. And that's how to connect your domain name through Cloudflare to Author Landmark. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.